Good morning, everyone. My name is Chabrolu Bhuvan. We are discussing chapter 7 fractions. Okay, in last class we have discussed about equivalent fractions and simplest form of fractions. And in this class we are going to learn comparison of like and unlike fractions. You remember, I guess, in last class I had said about like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay, so first let us recall that. What is a like fraction? What is a like fraction? The fractions which are having same denominator. The fractions which are having same denominator are called like fractions. Okay. Fractions which are having same denominator. Okay. So we have an example. Okay. We have an example. See, now what is the fraction of this whole? Only two parts are shaded and four parts are there. So the fraction is 2 by 4, and here 3 parts are shaded and totally 4 parts. 3 by 4. So let us take these both are like fractions because the denominator is same. Okay. So what is like fraction? They have same denominators. Okay. So these two are like fractions. Now today's topic is comparison of like fractions. Comparison of like fractions. How to compare? Means, so in compare means there are three symbols used: greater than, less than, or equal to. These are the three symbols used in comparison. Now see, here we have like fractions. Denominator is same. Denominator is same. Then how to see means 2 by 4, 3 by 4. See. Now here only two parts. Like let us take this as a pizza. Only two parts are eaten. Remaining two parts are there still. Here three parts are eaten. One part is remaining. So which is greater? One part or two parts? Two parts is greater. Okay. So obviously 3 by 4 is the greater fraction. How many parts consumed here? 3 parts are consumed. Here 2 parts. So 3 parts is greater than 2 parts, no. So 3 by 4 is greater. Okay. 3 by 4 is greater. Let us take one more example so that you can understand very easily. See, now we have a sandwich. It is divided into two parts. No, let us take it as 6 parts. And the same sandwich is divided, another sandwich, it is divided into same 6 parts only. Okay, here they said they have consumed 3 parts. They have consumed 3 parts. And here they have said they had consumed 5 parts. Okay, they had consumed 5 parts. So what is the fraction? First step is we have to check whether these both the fractions are like or unlike. Okay, so what is the fraction here? 3 by 6. Here it is 5 by 6. So denominators are same. So they are like fractions. Okay, now 5 parts they consumed is big, or 3 parts they consumed is big. So obviously 5 parts consumed only big. So the 5 by 6 is greater. Or one more method is, if the denominators are same, check the numerators. In which the numerator is higher or greater, that is the biggest fraction. See now, what are the numerators? 3 and 5. Which is greater here? 5 only greater. So obviously this fraction only greater. Okay, let us take one more example. You will be understanding it. Okay. See, now we have okay, see now they given 5 by 10 and 9 by 10. Now first step, what I said, we have to see whether these are like or unlike. Like fractions only, no? Then okay then. So what we have to do? We have to check the numerators. What are the numerators? 5, 9. Which is the highest number in this both numbers? 9. So obviously 9 by 10 is the highest fraction. Okay, one more example. 7 by 9, 8 by 9. Okay, first what I said, we have to check whether the fractions are like or unlike. This is a like fraction. And we have to check the numerator, 7 and 8. Which is the highest number here? 8. So, obviously, 8 by 9 is the highest fraction. Okay, highest or biggest fraction. Okay, this is a easy way in order to compare like fractions. Okay, now if in case of unlike fractions, what you will do? That also let us see that. The case of unlike fractions like 1 by 3, okay, and 2 by 4. First, what we have to do means try drawing a figure and find it. See, first easy method is. Okay, this is the method. What they said, 3 parts it is divided and 1 part is shaded. Okay. And the second is same whole and it is divided into 4 parts. In the 2 parts are consumed. So by seeing itself we can tell. By seeing itself we can tell which is greater. But we cannot tell correctly that this fraction is greater or this fraction is greater. So this method is applicable only for the like fractions and some of the unlike fractions only. Not every unlike fraction. Okay, not every unlike fractions. Okay. See now, we can tell by seeing is 2 by 4 only is greater. We can tell 2 by 4 only greater. This is because the denominators are in the smaller number. So that it will be easy in case. If the denominators are like, see, 2 by 12 and 7 by 15. If there are big numbers, for writing it will take a lot of time. So I will be telling you another method in order to find. What is this? See, we know 2 by 4 is greater here. So the other method is find the equivalent fractions of that. What is the equivalent fraction? 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9, 4 by 12. Right. Okay. Okay. The next is 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Okay. 4 by 8. Okay. 8 by 16. 8 not at all. 6 by 12 and 8 by 16. So this fraction and this fraction you see. Both are like fractions and we know how to compare like fractions easily. So instead of 1 by 3 take its equivalent fraction 4 by 12 and instead of 2 by 4 take 6 by 12. Okay. So we know now the denominators are same. Now which is highest? 6 by 12 only highest because 6 is greater than 4. Is the greatest fraction. This is one more method to find. And the last method is, this is the easiest method. Okay. What is the easiest method is? Find the LCM of denominators. Find the LCM of denominators. Okay. Find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 3 and 4. Okay. 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 1. 1, 1. Okay. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3. That is 12. Okay. And we know how to convert this fraction to equivalent fraction with denominator 12 also. So how to convert this fraction into denominator 12? If you multiply this fraction by 4. Okay. So 4 by 12. The same. 4, how many times 12 will be divisible? 3 times. So 2 by 4 into 3 will be giving 6 by 12. So now again same like fractions only formed. 4 by 12, 6 by 12. Which is greater? 6 by 12 only greater because the number 6 is greater than 4. Okay. Now see. One more example. Let us see in order to understand easily. 2 by 3, 3 by 5. Okay. 2 by 3, 3 by 5. This is one more example. Okay. Now let us do. Okay. First find LCM. What is our first step is? LCM of denominator. That is 3, 5. Okay. So LCM of 3 and 5. 3, 5. 3, 1, 5 and 5, 1, 1. So LCM is 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. Okay, and the next step is what? Convert this fraction into with the denominator 15. So nothing to do. So what we have to do means 2 by 3. 3 into how many times will be giving 15? 5 times. So multiply the numerator and the denominator by 15. Okay. So into 5. Okay. Into 5. So the numerator will be 10. Denominator will be 15. Okay. So we have to convert it into denominator as 15. Next example. 3 by 5. So 5 into how many times gives 15? 3 times. No. So 5 into 3. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. Into 3 into 3. 9 by 15. Now we have found like fractions. Now we know how to compare. 9 by 15. 10 by 15. So which is the greater? 10 by 15. Okay. One more example. Let us see. If they have given like this, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. Okay, 1 by 6. So what we have to do is, first find the LCM of 3 and 6 because they are denominators. Find the LCM 3, 6. 1, 2, 1, 1. LCM is 3 into 2, 6. So what I said, we have to convert these both fractions with the denominator 6 because that is the LCM. So 1 by 3, 3 2 times is 6. So multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by 2 into 2 into 2. 2 by 6. And next case, 1 by 6. Already the denominator is 6. So we need not to multiply anything. So 2 by 6, 1 by 6. We had found 2 like fractions. So compare 2 by 6, 1 by 6. So which is greater? 2 by 6. So from this we can know if the numerators are same in unlike fractions, the denominator with the lesser number will be the greater. Okay, what is the condition? If numerator is same in unlike fractions, the denominator the denominator, okay, with lesser number is greater. This is the condition. Okay, see now, they have given 1 by 7, 1 by greater. So what is the condition? The numerator is same. So denominator is lesser number. So obviously 1 by 7 is greater. Okay. Now this session ends. In this class we have discussed about like fractions, unlike fractions, and we have also say about comparison of like fractions and unlike fractions. In case of like fractions, the denominator should be same, and we have to check the numerator. If the numerator is higher in the both fractions, that is the greater fraction. In the case of unlike fractions, we have to find the LCM of the denominators, and we have to convert the fraction to the equivalent fraction with the denominator of the LCM. Okay, then that they will be forming a like fractions. That in another way we can tell as unlike fractions we have to convert into like fractions first, then we have to compare. Okay, and we have one condition also. If the numerator is same in unlike fractions, the denominator with the lesser number is greater. Okay, if you like, subscribe, and if you have any doubts you can post in the comment box. I will be answering for those questions. Thank you.